Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 2, that is final account of a partnership firm of standard 12 commerce subject account. So this is the fifth part of the chapter number 2 and today we are going to see partners capital account. As we have discussed in our earlier video of chapter number 1 where we have seen there are mainly two types of partners capital account. Very first is a fluctuating capital account method where we are going to prepare only one account, that is partners capital account. And the second one is a fixed capital account method. That means the capital of the partner is going to be fixed, and for that we have to prepare two accounts, that is partners capital account as well as partners current account. So here let's see the same partners capital account and partners current account. Okay, now let's see partners capital account. So here, as we discussed before, that there are two accounting methods. So here we have to prepare two types of capital account. In a fluctuating capital account, all the transactions related to partner and firm will be recorded in the same account, that is partners capital account. So in that, all the transactions that is firm is making with the partner will be recorded there. So here partners capital account where partner of the partnership firm undertake personal transactions with the firm, and to record such a transaction, capital account of each partner is prepared in the books of firm. So transactions which increase the capital of partner are recorded at the credit side, and transactions which reduce the capital of partner is recorded at the debit side of the capital account. So here this is how we have to prepare the capital account. So very first let's see the specimen of partners capital account under the fluctuating capital account method. Okay, so here specimen of partners capital account under the fluctuating capital account method, where we can see on the debit side, very first thing is given to us is a balance brought forward. So here opening balance of the partner, if it is the debit balance that is supposed to be written on the debit side. Then on the debit side, next thing is drawing, and drawing can be taken by the partner in cash or kind or any goods or asset from the firm. The next one is interest on drawing. Whatever interest is charged by firm on the drawing, that is supposed to be debited to partners capital account under the fluctuating capital account method. The next one is a profit and loss appropriation account, that is the divisible loss. Whatever the loss is there in the partnership firm, that's supposed to be debited to partners capital account. The next thing is given to us on the credit side. Very first thing is a balance brought forward. If the opening balance of the partner's capital is a credit, then it's supposed to be on the credit side. Then whatever asset or cash is brought by partner in the partnership firm, that is supposed to be credited to partnership to the partner's capital account. Then next is a interest on capital, then salary account, then bonus, commission and remuneration. Whatever is given to the partner from the partnership firm, that's supposed to be credited. Then lastly profit and loss appropriation account, that is divisible profit. So this is how we have to prepare partners capital account, and then we have to find out the balance of partner capital account. It can be debit balance or credit balance, so according to that. So this is the specimen of the partners capital account under the fluctuating capital account method. Now let's see the specimen of partners capital account under the fixed capital account method, where the transaction related to capital only we have to write in this account, and the other transaction we have to prepare the current account. So let's see that. Okay, now let's see the specimen of partner capital account under the fixed capital account method. So here partners capital account, and here on the debit side of partners capital account, whatever the withdrawal of the capital is there by the partner, that is in cash or by bank or in as any other asset that is supposed to be debited. And on the credit side, opening balance of the capital account is written, and whatever capital is brought by a partner in cash, by bank, or as any other asset supposed to be credited. And this is how we have to find out the closing balance of the partner's capital account under the fixed capital account method. So this is the specimen of the partner's capital under the fixed capital account method. Now the second account that we supposed to prepare under the fixed capital account method is a current account, and the specimen of the current account of partner is here. So here is the specimen of partner's current account. So partner's current account, on the debit side of the partner's current account, there is a opening balance of opening debit balance of current account. Then to drawing, and the other thing is to interest on drawing. Then interest on debit balance of current account, and then the divisible loss. So these are the account that's supposed to be debited to partner's current account. And on the credit side of partner's current account, very first thing is a balance brought down, that is the opening credit balance. So if the balance is a credit balance, that is supposed to be on the credit side of partner's current account. Then by interest on capital, the next account is a interest on credit balance of current account, and then by salary, by bonus, by commission, and by remuneration. Lastly, divisible profit supposed to be credited to partner's current account. And this is how we have to prepare the partner's current account, and then we have to find out the closing balance of partner's current account. And as we have discussed before, partner's current have debit or credit balance. According to the account, it can have debit or credit balance. So this is the account that you have to prepare in your notebook. Students, you may note down and prepare the account in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.